I'm gonna wash it, and you guys will have it. Where is the one? Let me wash it. It's your first time. I'm gonna open it.
Oh, it looks good. It's not sweet.
Even if it's not sweet, it's gonna be sweet in my mouth today because it's been a long time, you know. Let's go try one. Tap in. So,
slap you. It's slap.
Don't wash it. Honey, take one.
There is some of these udara when you get them, they're slaps. But there are ones that is like honey. Even sweeter, more than honey.
This is, look at how they are eating the udara. Look at. It's not the way.
Let me try to squeeze it.
No, you ate the good part for him. You ate the good part for him.
So sweet.
I'm
not.
So, when you remove the whole seeds,
this one you eat the flesh.
The inside of the this part.
Right.
So this myota has 5 seeds. So that is why it is a star seed.
I got it.
A balloon.
Where's the balloon?
You know how it is? Because inside it is like this. So 5 of them forming that angles of star inside the fruit.
Yeah, I get it.
So that is why it is called African star fruit.
Oh, my leg.
Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
I think that's
Olende. Udaro sana.
it's so sour.
This one's sour.
So sour. Sour.